over, it has to be so over before it's so back.
That's true. That's the belt. That's the curve.
In. BTS bait. Bait close. In first, far bait. Baits are on the way marks. Healers bait first. Out, tanks bait. In, range bait. Out, tank, melee. Pairs 2. Rhodium.
Support flex. Delta safe spot.
Pairs.
Delta safe. Bravo safe.
It might help if people don't stand right on the little like hitbox nipple.
On the point, yeah.
Yeah, because it makes it harder to see it. So like, Roy and Lily, if you could move up or back a little bit.
Move left.
Check your colors.
I didn't even notice her actual hitbox move, dude. I thought it was like
Yeah.
a visual tell that I had to big. Oh my god, dude.
Opposite colors. Check your debuffs. Swap sides. Check your debuffs. Swap sides.
I'll pump something extra here.
Debuffs. Fine now.
I got to be the
Oh, yeah,
blue
bye bye.
Orient yourselves.
Dying!
He's dying. He's
Dude,
alive.
dude, it's
dead
the
again.
fucking
He's dead
P12S.
again.
It's the P12S auto attack again, dude.
my god, yes.
That shit's like
Remember to putt early.
I have no choice but to surrender to Electro.
One. Two. Three. Four. Everybody's going out. Lock needed. Move on. One. Two. Not now. Three. Four. Baby's going out. Block if you need. Dodge one. Go to Charlie.
Wow.
Paint's going out on this. Thank you. Hope you appreciate how much of a mechanic respecter I am.
I do respect it.
My
or
pitch
I do
perfect.
appreciate it.
Oh,
Sorry,
nice.
my man was
Alright.
a second early, Guero.
So we're good.
Sorry, I didn't mean to call her like compared to that word.
Fuck my force.
Except Rose, stand forward. Get the hit.
Yeah, that's right.
That was a little early, but it's whatever.
Why is it always her?
This thing hates me.
Focus, focus, focus,
yeah.
focus, focus. Just walk back in. Do not walk off.
Mid.
Middle.
Mid. Mustard bomb.
Front right.
Go. 2 minutes.
Paint is out. For the Wicked Thunder, for the Wicked, or Azure Thunder, excuse me.
Stack middle.
Stack tight, stack tight.
Southeast.
Oh crap.
Raising.
Raising.
Sides out.
Northeast side. Northeast side.
Raising.
Fine, just focus, just focus, just focus. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine.
Sending trouble spot.
Quadrants. Quadrants.
Quadrants.
Can I bend in Roy? Go for your hit.
Stacks.
Intercardinal stacks. Intercardinal stacks, and then stay and spread.
Look
Out of
at
mid.
special.
Out of mid. Out of mid.
Reconvene. Need a heal.
Raid wide.
Shit. Come on.
Stay focused, stay focused. Ethereal conversion.
Knock back from right.
Is that stored?
Yes,
Yeah,
it
the
is
start
stored.
is fine.
Yeah, this is stored. Knock back from right.
Towers.
Sending Ryuja high
Be in your tower spots.
I'll keep covered.
That's a long run, pop sprint. Make sure you're on the inner edge for 2 minutes.
stuff here.
Okay.
Knockback from
Sorry,
right.
dude.
Knockback from right. Red dot. Knockback again. Mustard bomb.
They have made it any harder to see. Right.
Seriously.
Pick it up off of me.
Yeesh. Move back to the read.
Stalking knockback from left.
KB from left. KB from left.
Bank is on this.
Troubadour, Troubadour.
No Kara.
Just remember your snake priorities. Check your debuffs. Long's getting tower first. You see it? Call the towers. Towers
East,
east
west.
west.
Out of the middle, out of middle, out of middle, out of middle, out
Raising
of
Helling,
middle.
raising Helling.
Towers east west again.
This is working out. We're fine.
Pot's coming up. This is the pot
Knockback
window.
from
This is the pot
left.
window.
Knockback from left.
Raising Rouge.
Make sure you hit.
Knockback again.
Alright.
Sending stuff from Howling.
Alright, just keep it
Finish
safe.
hitting.
I'm gonna go for it.
Focus, focus.
Build down. Build
Remember
down.
your
Troubadours,
Down.
Troubadours out, Troubadours, or Mene, sorry.
Your pairs. Middle back, middle back. Nice again. Same thing.
So go to safe spot on popping.
Propagation.
Okay.
Safe spots.
Same spot. Oh,
Front and middle, front and middle, front and middle, front and middle.
Got it, going for it.
Good shit. There's one more sword quiver.
No,
Keep us up, keep us up, keep us
It's
up.
it, it's it, it's it, it's it.
One more.
Keep healing. Just keep healing, Rose.
Yeah, I'm healing.
Middle front, middle front, middle. Let's go! Nice! Holy shit!
Yes.
First week one! Let's fucking go!
High fives all around. High fives all around, everyone.
Good job.
Let's go! Good shit,
Dude,
guys.
Howling, we need to look at that, dude, because I swear I was underneath the fucking thing. and I recorded
Week
myself,
one.
too.
Boys.
I mean, I can
Yeah.
still.
4 raid nights.
I can still be like a little closer to the tower. I just thought I was enough, but
Boys featuring girl.
Yes, dude. Let's fucking go.
Let me see this part though.
Dude, I'm so
Wow.
glad we cleared it today, because I was just knocking
It's the
into
Astro.
people,
Alright,
man.
screenshot.
Oh, fuck off,
Yes,
it's the
screenshot,
Astro?
screenshot.
Yeah, it's the Astro Glow.
Oh my god.
Damn,
Thank
dude.
God it's nothing we use.